Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for the week. It's going to be a fairly short video, but I wanted to get it done because I need to get gas. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So we're going to start by emptying my cash envelopes for this week. For gas, I didn't have too much miles last week, or I didn't drive too much miles last week. So I actually have $50 left over. So we'll put that to the side. In food, I did stop and get me a coffee. So I have $20 left. Beauty always rolls over week to week. I use this for my hair that I get done every 3 months, as well as any personal hygiene products and things like that. So that will roll over. And then in spending, I did stop and get something from the $1.25 store for cleaning my laser machine. So we do have $10 there. I do need to go to the bank and deposit this money to put back towards my credit card. So what will be going towards savings challenges this week will be 50, 75. I'm going to probably break these down to a lower denomination just so it's easier to stuff. So I'm just going to put this up here. I will be stuffing $212 today into my envelopes. And starting off will be gas. So gas always gets $100. If you're new here, I am a hospice nurse, so I do a lot of driving around throughout San Diego County. So some weeks I drive further than others, and so $100 seems to be good. I don't mind not using the whole thing because the leftover money goes to other things that I'm saving up for anyways. So I don't want to give myself less and then not have enough. Food, I always give myself $25 for the week. I do take breakfast and snacks with me on the road so that I don't stop. But if I do want to stop and meet a friend for coffee or lunch or anything like that, I want to have something so that I do have that option. So again, food will get 25. Beauty gets 25 every week. Again, I use this to get my hair done every 3 months. And then if I need any bath products or anything like that, comes out of beauty. So far in beauty, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. I did just get my hair done not too long ago, so we're just saving up for the next one. Spending will get $15. Sometimes I stop at the Dollar Tree, or if I have to go to Walmart for something, I like to have some spending money so that I don't have to swipe my card. I am on a low spend year, so I'm trying not to spend any money that's not budgeted. So I do want to give myself something though, just to kind of get me through if I want to get something. Again, that's money that's going back to the bank. So we'll put this to the side and we will move into my dated binder. So this is things that I save up for every year. One is comes up every 2 years. First one being my car registration. My car registration is actually going to be due next month, so I will be paying this shortly. So let's add, let's see. Oh, car registration won't get anything today, but we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40. So I believe we need $10 more in this one, and then we'll be finished with this one. Next is my nursing renewal. I have to renew every 2 years, and this is the year that I actually renew it. And so I have 100, 200, 10, 25 going towards my nursing license, but it's not getting anything today. And then for moving, so we have decided to stay in the current house that we're in for another year. Rent will be going up, unfortunately, but I am going to put money away slowly for next year. We're getting to the point where it's just getting a little bit ridiculous with the amount of rent that we pay. So I just want to have something there in case we do decide to move, because the deposits here in California, along with the monthly rent and everything they want, it's ridiculous. It's going to be about $10,000 total. So I do want to start saving up some money for that. My P.O. box will be getting $6. So the way in which my P.O. box is set up. If I pay 6 months, they give me a 7th month free. So I always try and save up for that 6 months to get that extra month free. So towards my P.O. box, we have 50, 60, 75, 85, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So $100. I do have my P.O. box listed down in my description if you'd like to send Happy Mail or just any snail mail is what I call it. I do enjoy sending mail out, so I will of course send something back once I have your address. So here is my P.O. box. Next is Amazon Prime. This is due the beginning of January of every year. So I'm just saving up for next year. So Amazon Prime will be getting 6. So we have 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, and 48 going towards Amazon Prime. So we will close that off, and then we are going to go into my revolving binder. This is envelopes that I go into more often, and so that's why these are separated. I am going to be separating my binders again, just because I want to add some other ones to kind of house my yearlies and then my wants, my needs, things like that. My nieces and nephews have their own binder, and even though I'm doing savings challenges for them, I think I'm going to start stuffing a little bit into their binders weekly, if not every other week, just because the savings challenges take a little bit longer and I'm not stuffing them on a weekly basis. So I think I still want to give them at least $1 or $2 just to put something in their envelopes. Anyways, family fun. This is for anything that we're doing with the family, whether it's barbecues or, you know, my family does love going to Disneyland. So if we go to Disneyland or anything like that that has to do with the family, that's what this comes out of. So today family will be getting 10. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 110. I will be taking some money out of this for one of my little cousin's graduation next month. And so this will be coming down to birthdays. Birthdays will be getting 10. I do need to take some money out of this. I haven't taken it out yet, but for now, it'll be there. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 35. So 135 going towards birthdays. Next is my medical. Medical is fully funded at $500. So this is just if I do need to go to see a doctor for anything, I want to have money in here to cover co-pays or anything like that. I'm still trying to figure out a bill that I may have for when I went to go get my shoulder checked, but I can't seem to find where I can get that, or they don't show one. So maybe I don't have a bill, but either way, it'll come out of here if needed. Clothes will not be getting anything. Car maintenance will be getting 10. I am probably going to go this weekend to get an oil change. So this will be coming down some too. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 35. So $235. I need to keep beefing this up because I'm going to need brakes done and my tires changed just from all the driving around that I do. And then next we have Support Small. So Support Small will get $5. I do enjoy all savings challenges. I am addicted to them if you haven't noticed, and they do help me a lot with all of my goals that I have in place. It just keeps me motivated. It's just a fun way to save money. Yes, I can save money by itself, writing it on a piece of paper, but to me that got kind of boring. I did that for 2 years, and now the savings challenges just makes things more fun. So I always budget for anything I want to buy from anybody's small business. I do have friends that have small businesses, their own websites, as well as Etsy. I am currently working with Kris over at Budgeting Just Because with a website of my own. So if you are interested in having a website of your own or need any help with any of your YouTube items, definitely check her out. She does have services over on For the Creator. So I highly recommend checking her out for any assistance. And since we're on Support Small, let me just grab 2 things that I did have come into the mail. And so the first one is from Liz over at Liz and Les. I love, 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 love her sticker challenges. Let me move this out of the way. And again, I will say, I don't even walk out of the post office without opening my mail. I'm opening it as I go, so you will never see an unopened envelope. Sorry about that, but that's just me. So, oh my gosh, I left everything in here, but how stinking cute is this here? I love this sticker. It is the cutest thing ever. I will be putting this on my envelope to go with the savings challenge. I did get the corn dog challenge. I am team ketchup, although I do like some mustard along with it. I prefer ketchup though. So definitely we'll get this started. I also got the beaver walked into a bar. This is so cute. So you just take the beaver off and it has how much you save for that particular beaver. And then you place him here in the bar. Hopefully you guys can see it. That is just hilarious. Again, she is so creative and her challenges are priced very well. I highly recommend checking them out, and they're so well done and colorful. And then I also got the sloth and safari, which goes with the sticker. Look at those. I hope you guys can see these. They are so cute, and the denominations are doable. So yeah, so you just put them on your thing here for the waves, and I cannot wait to do those. The other one I got is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. I just love her channel and her savings challenges. I will be posting a short with the winners from my community post that I had for her channel. So if you did put yourself in for that, then keep an eye open. But she has these cute scratchers. This one is You Are My Sunshine, and so it's worth $75. I love scratchers, and they're made really well. So once you scratch them, you can still use them with a erasable marker just to cross them off. And then I got the You Are Enough. I'm actually going to give 2 of these away, maybe 3, but I'll probably do it in my next video. But I will be giving these up, or giving some of these away as another gift. So that's that. And then I don't need to show that. And let's see here. I don't read cards on live. I'm barely just started showing my happy mail, but I am going to get better. But so here's her information: Mischief Managed Budgets here on YouTube, and her Etsy shop is Mischief Budgets. Definitely check her out. And again, I'm not going to read the note, but these stickers are so cute. Yes, I am basically a detective. I think that's so cute. Then we have from Harry Potter. This one, I was cracking up when I read it. Don't make me put my foot down. I just thought it was hilarious. I had to message her. I truly chuckled out loud when I read that. And then a cute IOU. Hopefully I don't ever have to use this, but I probably will. So that is my Happy Mail. I hope you enjoyed viewing it as much as I enjoyed receiving it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much if you stuck around to the end, and I will see you next time. Have a most blessed week, everyone. Bye.